What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. Well, I am here watching the final episode of Friday Night Lights. And then I'm going to watch the movie Friday Night Lights. If you didn't see my video the other day, I unboxed a very rare WWF pay-per-view, No Way Out 2002. Well, we got a package here. And this is the other rare WWF pay-per-view. So, let's check out what this is. Final episode of Friday Night Lights. 5 seasons, 76 episodes. It's a great show. If you guys haven't seen it, go get it on Blu-ray. Because the DVDs are like this, like worst packaging I've ever seen. So the Blu-rays come in their own individual cases, except it's gonna be stacked discs. So that's the only bad part. So, what we have here is WWF Royal Rumble 2001. With the insert, baby. Yes, sir. With the insert. Let's check the disc. It has some fingerprints, so we will have to go to V-Stock, but it's okay. It can't go to V-Stock today because it's raining here. But we have Chris Benoit versus Chris Jericho for the Intercontinental Championship in a ladder match. Edge and Christian versus the Dudley Boys. Ivory versus China. And 30-man Royal Rumble. Kurt Angle versus Triple H. WWF title. And the winner goes to WrestleMania 17 versus The Rock. And I believe Stone Cold won this Rumble. But the cartoon feel on the disc and the DVD. I might be getting another 2001 pay-per-view. I got this for $37. $37. Which is not a bad for the insert and the DVD of the Royal Rumble, because I don't have the Royal Rumble anthology sets. So, yeah, the Rumble from 2001. I think I have all of the Rumbles except 2000. On regular DVD, besides the anthology sets that I don't have yet, that I'm looking to get, but they're very expensive right now. But like on the disc, like on the DVD, you have Triple H, The Rock, Stone Cold, Kurt Angle, Jericho, the Bubba Ray Dudley, Rikishi, Chyna, Farouk, Undertaker, Devon, and Kane, and more. So I got No Way Out 2002 the other day, and now I have the Royal Rumble 2001. I think all I need now is one more or two more pay-per-views from 2001, and I have them all. But I'm looking to get King in the Ring 2001. So I might be able to get that. So Royal Rumble 2001. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, very rare DVD to come across. With the insert as well in it for $37. You can't beat that. So, yeah. Royal Rumble 2001. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and I'm out. Peace.